I can't even imagine how beautiful this hairstyle makes me look and feel. Like I'm gonna do this hairstyle all day. Like it's become my best hairstyle ever. So I just wanted something simple, and I was just thinking, okay, I've made something like this before. I said maybe I should recreate it in another style, and voila, this idea came to my mind, and I said, okay, let's do it. You know something about this hairstyle? It could be worn as an everyday look, and it can also be worn as a bridal hairstyle. My best part of this hairstyle is that it's almost effortless. Like it doesn't take time, it doesn't take you braiding and all that. It's just so effortless and so beautiful and simple. I think everyone should try this hairstyle. The best part of having a virgin hair, like a hair that is not relaxed, is the versatility. Like you can literally do anything with your virgin hair. Like, you know, when you have a relaxed hair, the styles you can do is limited. Actually, it's actually limited. But when your hair is virgin, like you've not put relaxer or any chemicals, you can literally do any style you want. You know, I just fall in love with my natural hair every day. I just love the texture. I love everything about it. I'm very serious. I can't imagine straightening my hair. The way the natural hair is just like, you know, just makes me happy. So if you find it difficult to manage your virgin hair, or you want to grow your virgin hair and you need my help, you can book a consultation with me through the link on my bio. So the wax I use has two variants. It has two colors. It has the colorless and the black. So I use the colorless for slicking the hair, and I love to use the black for the edge, just to create the illusion that I have full edges. You know, I don't really like to use it to slick my whole hair because it kind of stains my nails, and I don't like my nails being stained with black color. Aside from this stain it gives my nails, everything about the gel is perfect for me. Like I love it so much. Something I do always is that I try to rinse my hair before I do another hairstyle. Even if I don't want to wash it with shampoo, because sometimes I make my hair every week or twice a week, but mostly these days I've been making my hair just once a week. So I try as much as I can to rinse out my hair, because waxes and gels, they can cause build up on the hair and they can make it itchy and flaky. Though this gel I use doesn't give me any problem like the ones I used to use before that will make my scalp very tender. It doesn't do that, but it causes build up. So I try as much as I can to rinse my hair before I make another hairstyle. Bestie, I want to say something quickly. I know you have a skill, and I know you might be good in making hair, making dresses, crocheting, you know, cooking, baking, a lot of things that I know you might be good at. And you might be wondering, can this skill I have actually earn me income? The answer is absolutely yes. It can earn you income that is way above your imagination. I'm putting something together, something simple that's like I can show how I started thinking differently about any income with my skills. You know, I made a mistake of depending solely on platform monetization, and I wasted a lot of time. I wasted 3 years of my content creation journey depending on platform monetization. I would not like you to make the same mistake. So I am putting something together to help you to get the right structure and the right positioning to be able to earn from your skills without having to depend solely on platform monetization and views. If you are that mom who wants to turn her skills into income, I want you to comment ready, or you can message me through the WhatsApp link on my bio. So you see how beautiful and how simple this hairstyle is. Bestie, please, I want you to comment your thoughts. What do you think about this hairstyle? I think this is beautiful. I think it makes me look happy, and let me know, will you be trying it? What do you think about this extra thing I just put? I think it's beautiful. It looks so lovely. All right, bestie, please let me know what you think about the hairstyle, and see you in my next one.